Hello and welcome to Safesite. The Safesite platform provides a paperless solution to help log information for safety actions, which include inspections, meetings, hazards, observations, equipment, and incidents. After safety actions are logged on our mobile app, the reports can be viewed on the Safesite admin dashboard by administrators. In this Safesite Administrator video tutorial, we will go over the following features: creating a Safesite account for your organization, creating and managing projects and personnel, setting up and managing safety campaigns, and managing the organization. Let's begin by taking a look at how organization personnel types and permissions are structured in the Safesite platform. Organization administrators have complete control of all aspects of the organization, including creating projects. They also have access to all projects and organization-wide settings. Group administrators can view groups consisting of multiple projects and view reporting for projects included in the group. Project administrators have control over specific projects in the organization on the admin dashboard. They can manage project details, create campaigns, manage inspection and meeting templates, add and remove personnel, and access the mobile app from the field. Field users complete safety actions which include inspections, hazards, observations, meetings, and incidents while in the field from mobile devices. They do not have access to view the admin dashboard from a desktop computer. Next, we will go over how to create your Safesite account. From a desktop computer or a tablet, navigate to safesitehq.com, then select Get Started Free. Enter your email, name, password, and phone number, then select Sign Up. Please be sure that only one person from your organization completes this process to create a Safesite organization account that will be used to invite the rest of your safety team. Please note that if you are a Foresight insured client, an account will be created for your organization, and the login information will be provided. After creating your account, you will navigate to the Safesite admin dashboard. At the top right of the screen, you'll see your name and organization. Please be sure you are in the correct organization that houses your company's projects. You will also see an envelope icon where notifications will appear. These notifications include hazard statuses and projects invites. Next to that is a book icon that links you to the Safesite Help Center, where you can access webinars, articles, and video tutorials which provide helpful learning artifacts on how to use the Safesite platform. If you would like to reach out to customer support for any questions or concerns, you can select the chat icon at the bottom right of the screen and click Send Us a Message. To utilize Safesite, you must first create a project on the admin dashboard. A project in Safesite is your safety program, not to be confused with individual work projects, sites, or locations you may have in the field. Most organizations create one project with safety campaigns to assign actions for mobile users in the field. Creating one project makes it easy to manage administrative tasks within your organization, such as adding personnel or managing project details like locations and teams. Please be aware that Foresight insured clients will have a project created for them during onboarding, and they are advised to reach out to their customer experience manager if they are interested in creating more projects, so that they can be properly added and maintained. Creating excess projects that are not intended to be used on a regular basis can negatively impact the Safesite score. The Safesite score is a letter grade calculated to quantify your project members' safety engagement and performance within the Safesite app. For those on the Safesite Free or Safesite Premium plan, the score is presented from A to D and is generated for projects via the project dashboard, and for groups via the groups dashboard. Foresight insured clients have an additional option to view their organization's score, which averages all the projects in their organization under the Organization tab and Score. To create a project, click the blue Create Project button. You can also click the project drop-down list and then select Create New Project. Enter your project name, start date, end date, time zone, an existing group to add it to, and an address. Please note that the project will be available on the Safesite mobile app beginning on the start date. On the end date, the project will automatically be removed from the mobile app and archived for all of your users on that specific project. For ongoing projects or safety programs, no end date is required. Our customers who have one project for their safety program often keep the end date as ongoing, so projects do not have to be continuously created. Next, you will add your personnel to your project. Enter the emails of the personnel in your organization you want to be added to the project. This is a crucial step as it connects your account to other members of your organization and allows them to enter safety actions on their mobile devices. After personnel are added to the personnel list for your project, they can be added to campaigns and assigned specific safety actions to be completed on a daily, weekly, or one-off basis. Project Admin will have access to the Safesite Admin dashboard and the Safesite mobile app. Project admins will receive email notifications regarding status changes that happen in the project. Members will only have access to the project on the Safesite mobile app to enter safety actions. They will not have permissions to the admin dashboard on a desktop computer. Guests are subcontractors or trades that are not a part of the organization and will only have access to the project on the Safesite mobile app to enter safety actions. They will not be able to view the Safesite desktop. Guests are also not factored into the Safesite score. Please note that selecting Continue will send out email invites to your personnel added to this list. Now that you've created your project, the next step is to create a safety campaign to assign mobile users safety actions such as inspections, meetings, observations, and hazards. Start by typing a campaign title. It should describe the initiative you want to assign these actions for. Next, schedule the frequency of the campaign. Daily campaigns run from Monday through Friday and exclude the weekends. They give mobile users 24 hours to complete actions each day. Weekly campaigns start on Monday and end on a Sunday, which give mobile users 7 days to complete the assigned safety actions. As a best practice, complete weekly assigned safety actions on Mondays and Tuesdays to better impact your Safesite score. Foresight insured clients will have a weekly campaign scheduled. Next, select the start date, which can be either immediate or at a future date. Then select the end date as ongoing or a date that you want the campaign to stop. Selecting ongoing will rotate the campaign indefinitely. Our customers often use the weekly frequency with an end date of ongoing to create a campaign with safety actions in advance. For example, you can create a monthly campaign by scheduling 4 weeks of actions that will repeat upon reaching the end of 4 weeks. Next, you will assign safety actions. Click the Add Action button to assign the specific safety actions, such as inspections, meetings, observations, and hazards. You have the option to select specific inspection and meeting topics so the mobile users can easily access them while on the field. We highly recommend you create your templates or copy and edit them from the Safesite's extensive library. If you expect your mobile users to work offline, you must have templates already assigned or listed under the My Org section for them to access. To learn how to create templates, please attend our live administration template webinar and review the related articles and videos in the Safesite Help Center. Next, assign personnel to the campaign. Please note that you can only invite personnel to a campaign if they have already been invited to the project. Finally, when you're done reviewing and setting up the campaign, click Set Live, and you are all done. The campaign now is listed under Safesite HQ and Campaigns. If you wish to edit an existing weekly campaign, the changes will take effect on the following Monday. If you wish to edit an existing daily campaign, the changes will take effect on the following day. You can also pause and archive campaigns. When pausing your archiving campaigns, the safety actions will be removed from the mobile application. When unpausing a campaign, the action cards will show up for mobile users the following Monday for weekly campaigns and the following day for daily campaigns. Next, we will review the Project Details tab for administrators to manage personnel and locations and update project settings. From the Personnel tab, you can search, add, or remove personnel to and from projects and update their personnel types of project admin, member, and guest. From the Teams tab, you can create, manage, and add personnel to teams. Teams are heavily used in hazard communication, and it is necessary to create teams so the team's personnel can collaborate to resolve hazards. Teams can also be assigned to observations or to equipment for reporting purposes. All personnel types can be added to a team. To create a team, click Create New Team on the Team page. Input a team name and then click Create. Add existing or new personnel by entering their email addresses, and then click Add. Note that if you add new personnel to a team, they will automatically be added to the project. You will also be able to add or remove members of the team by selecting the 3 dots under Actions. From the Locations tab, you can add, edit, and archive locations. The list of locations are available for mobile users to easily select when completing safety actions. To add a location, select Add New Location and enter the address, site number, or any other naming convention that you would like to use. Please note, by default, mobile users can add to the list directly from the mobile app if they need to add a new location. Select Archive to remove any location from the list from both the desktop and the mobile app. Select Show Archive and click on Unarchive to restore any location back to the list. Under the Notifications tab, you can manage notifications. It is recommended to set weekly notifications for Monday morning. The Settings tab allows you to make changes to the project name, start date, end date, time zone, group, and address. You are also able to pause or archive a project from here. Pausing a project is useful when the entire team goes on seasonal breaks because it pauses the Safesite score so the score does not decay when no one will be entering actions. It will hide it from the mobile app users, and your Safesite score will freeze with no negative impact. Please be sure to unpause the project the Friday before the week the team is expected to return to ensure the actions populate on their mobile app on Monday. Archiving a project stops calculating the Safesite score and removes the project from the mobile app and admin dashboard. Organization administrators are able to restore archived projects. To do this, select the Organization tab and Archive Projects. From here, the project can be selected and restored or unarchived from the Actions button. Next, we will go over how to create a group. Groups are useful if you have more than one project. Larger organizations with divisions, segments, or regions create groups that allow administrators to manage and organize multiple projects together to review reports, analysis, and Safesite score averages. Select the drop-down arrow next to your project name and select Groups. Then select Create New Group. Enter your group name, member email addresses, and projects. Check the private option to create a group that's only visible to group members. Finally, select Create. Select Group Details to make changes to the group name, group member access, and projects as needed. Let's take a look at how projects and campaigns populate action cards for mobile users on the mobile app. Under the Projects tab, you can see the project that was created. When you tap on the project, you will see the list of action cards with the inspection, observation, and meeting that were assigned from a safety campaign. Next, tap an action card. You can see a list of the locations that were added from the admin dashboard. In addition, you can see the inspection template or topic that was assigned to mobile users. The Organization tab is only accessible to organization administrators. If you are a Foresight insured policyholder, you'll see a Score tab that displays the organization Safesite score, which shows your organization's safety engagement and performance within the Safesite platform. Foresight policyholders will also have access to a Foresight tab with policy information and information on how to report a claim. For premium Safesite customers, you can manage billing information, change credit card details, and cancel your subscription on the Billing tab. Under Settings, you can change organization settings, such as the organization name, industry, hazard settings, location settings, module configurations, and which modules are factored into the organization Safesite score. Foresight Insureds, please reach out to your Customer Experience Manager if you wish to make changes to your organization settings. The Document tab allows you to add and manage documents that will be visible to your organization administrators. Selecting the Personnel tab allows you to make organization-wide changes to your personnel. You can add personnel to multiple projects, you can delete personnel from the organization, and change permissions for personnel. The Project tab allows you to access all the projects in the organization. You can view the project's Safesite score, personnel count, created by date, start date, and end date. You can also archive projects.